Hey loves, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'll be touching on my roots. Like I relaxed my hair 6 months ago, so I've had it in braids for almost half of the time. It's now time for me to touch up the root. So before I start applying any product on my hair, what I do is I go ahead and separate my hair into smaller section, then I twist it down, because the important thing is to apply the product only on the area where you want to touch up. You don't want to apply it on the relaxed area. So separating your hair like that will give you space to work on without you getting into the areas where you don't want to touch. My advice is you see a professional when you want to do your relaxing. So I'm doing this because I can see a professional. So in case you can do your own yourself, you want to make sure that you're reading the instructions on the product well before you even start the process. Now, before starting the process, I went ahead and oiled my scalp. I oiled the perimeter of my hair just to make sure that in case the product touches those areas, I'm not going to get burned. So you want to make sure that you follow the instructions on the leaflet that comes with the product before you even start. After making sure that my hair is in section and I've oiled my scalp, I went ahead and mixed the product. You want to mix the activator with the product and make sure that you mix it well until you don't have any lumps. So after doing that, I go ahead and start applying that on my hair. So I went ahead and started at the back, because the back of my head resists more than the front. So I make sure I'm done with the entire head before I go to the front part. So I only go there last. Immediately apply on the front side of my hair. I wait like 2-3 minutes and I go ahead and wash it out. So it depends on your hair type, how thick your hair is or how light on your hair is. If you're doing it, you want to know your hair and apply it accordingly. Please and please, you want to make sure that you are avoiding the relaxed area, because the relaxed area is weak enough. So if you continue applying product on that area, it's going to break. That's why you hear people saying relaxed hair don't grow. It's because when you want to touch up the root, you go ahead and apply on the entire hair. You don't have to do that. So you want to make sure that you're only applying it on the base, on where you have the new growth. This is what worked for me. That's what I'm showing you. I'm not coming here to tell you that you should go and relax your hair at home. Go make sure that you see a professional who knows how to do the job before relaxing your hair. I'm just showing you guys what I do to relax my hair. So after I finish washing the hair, I use the product that came in the pack, which is the conditioner and the shampoo. Now during the washing process, the shampoo that comes in the pack, when you apply that on your hair, you see that it will turn pink. You want to make sure that you wash your hair until the shampoo that you apply on your hair turns white. Then you know the product, the entire product is out of your hair. If it's still coming out pink, it means you still have the product on your hair. You want to make sure that you wash it until you see the foam white. That means the entire product is out of your hair. Then you can go ahead and condition it. So what I do is I use the shampoo from the pack. Then after that, I use a normal shampoo, my regular shampoo, to wash the hair again before I go ahead with the conditioner. So after washing my hair, during the washing process, I don't comb my hair. I know if you read the leaflet that comes in the pack, the direction, they tell you to comb with a wide tooth comb or gently comb with a wide tooth comb during the process to detangle the hair. I don't do that. What I do is I just wash and make sure the product is out of my hair, and I condition my hair. So the only time I will comb my hair is during the process of drying the hair. So when I'm drying my hair, that is when I comb it with the comb that is attached to the hand dryer. If you don't have that comb, try and get one. It's very, very affordable. Why I do that is because I don't want to put more tension on the hair during the washing process. So that is just my preference. You want to try what works for you, but always make sure that you see a professional if you don't know how to do it. So this is what my hair is looking like after I've washed and blow dried it. I went ahead and applied some hair oil, and that is it. That is what I do when I want to touch up my wig. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and also do wait to hit the red subscribe button and turn on your bell notification. So anytime I post a video, you'll be the first to be notified. And let me know what you think about this process in the comment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.